Hello there, welcome to my channel. My name is Toyin and I'm the creative director here at O4G Media. Are you looking to leverage the power of video to grow your brand, business or audience? Or are you just starting off trying to learn what to do with video? Well, you've come to the right place. It is no secret that video is the best way to tell your story online. And on this channel, we'll be creating video content around tips, tools, tutorials, and business insights to help you do just that. If this is the kind of content that you're looking for, then consider subscribing to the channel and also hit the notification bell so you don't miss any new content that's been posted. And say hello in the comment section below, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Take care. Bye.